motorcycles and a crew of 16 people. Wow. Rocks and Rocks confounds me.
I could see his spirit. It's very strong.
Matotipila has a powerful presence of Vishuddhi.
You know, your thoughts on extraterrestrial life and if you've been in contact with any.
Grand Canyon, as grand as it can be. Unbelievable. You're a bad director of your own drama.
Yes, exactly.
There must be regular education, but there must be your own traditional education.
Good luck with your motorcycle tour across America.
I'm just very honored and to speak to this amazing man, Set Guru.
I meet a little devil right here. American gringo.
We're glad to meet you.
These graves are not in celebration, but in reminder, this is not the way to conduct the world.